Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials: Aadhaar, PAN, and a government photo ID. Keep originals and copies handy. Once done, position yourself in good lighting with a stable 4G connection and a charged phone. Make sure camera is clean. Open the Kotak mobile app, sign in, and tap the video KYC option. This starts the live verification flow. You'll be guided step by step, so follow prompts. The bank needs to capture your identity and consent on video to meet regulatory requirements. Once connected to the agent or automated flow, allow camera and microphone access. This is essential. You'll be asked to frame your face in the guide. Keep steady. Present each document slowly to the camera, first the front, then the back, angling to remove glare so details are readable. Then respond to KYC questions and complete liveness checks, usually a head turn, smile, or repeating a number. These steps confirm you are present and match the documents, preventing fraud and ensuring regulatory compliance. To finish, review the on-screen summary carefully and confirm that name, address, and ID numbers are correct. Then accept consent to complete the KYC. You'll receive an OTP, confirmation SMS or email, and a reference number. Save that for your records. If verification fails, check network strength and lighting, clean the camera, and retry. Often a second attempt works. If problems persist, go to the nearest Kotak branch with originals. Staff can complete manual KYC and link it to your account.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.